Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I can't even contain my excitement. It is a full face using Charlotte Tilbury's makeup and I have no words. I really have no words, but here is the final makeup look and you guys will see what I love, what I hate, and yeah. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and my suggestions and my opinions, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product we're going to go in with is the Wonder Glow Primer. And I am so excited to try this primer out because it is kind of like that makeup primer, the backlit primer. As in it makes you look like you're glowing from within. That smells really good. It's not as shiny as I was expecting it to kind of look, but it feels really nice. Yeah, it looks natural. Looks like a natural sheen. Next thing we're gonna go in with is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. I have two colors and I don't want to face reality that I am in shade 1, but I also have shade 4, which is also called Fair. So I can feel good about using this. And this is called Fair too, so, but this is 4. So I think I'm gonna use 4 because I look really pale, probably because of the lights a little more, but I'm just gonna use that. It's like a moussey texture. That's nice. Put that on my face. I think I even put too much. That was 1 pump. That was a lot. Put that like that. So just pounce that in with my Morphe sponge. I can see that this definitely has a lot of coverage for my skin. It looks like my skin, I'm not kidding, it looks like I don't even have makeup on my face. This is the most bizarre thing I've ever seen in my life. This is why they call it magic. Alright, so that's on. I really like this foundation so far. Really nice. And I don't have a concealer that is Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. It'll give it a fair chance. Now I am going to use another thing that I don't have Charlotte Tilbury. I promise everything else I have, and that is my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with my Benefit Goof Proof pencil, and I love this pencil. I can't stray away from it. I'm going to go in and set the face. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. I've been wanting to try this for so long. It is so hyped up, and I'm sure for good reason, so I'm very excited to try this. And I'm gonna just put that on my MAC 129 brush. I'm gonna set the under eye. I think I'm gonna set the whole face. It's against my protocol, but I think I'm gonna try and set the whole face to see. Wow. Oh my gosh. I seriously look airbrushed. This is insane. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna go in and start doing the eyes. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Sophisticated Quad, and those are the colors. They're very taupey, gray, brown colors, which is totally what I love for my eye color. And I just think these shades just look so pretty. And I have not swatched this. I have not tried it. This is going to be serious first impressions. So I'm going to go in with my MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to use this first top shade right. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted to use first. Another product I wanted to use before, and I guess it's kind of like a primer. They say it like lasts forever, but this is the Color Chameleon in Champagne Diamonds for Blue Eyes. This looks super pretty, and it's like a crayon eyeshadow stick, and I just, oh, that is so pretty. Either I'm amazed super easily, or this is really amazing. Can you see how beautiful that is? And then she also brings it like on the lower lash line. That's a good base. And so now I'm gonna go back in with this Sophisticated Quad, and I'm gonna take my MAC 224 brush, and I'm gonna use this light taupey color right here and just put that in the crease. It is just the easiest blending I've ever done. Little quads, you know, I get kind of, is it just me or do you guys get overwhelmed too with like huge palettes and you're like, where do I start? I don't know what to do. I love quads. I feel like it's just so easy. You have 4 colors, that's all you can pick from. I love that. Has a little bit of kickback, but I don't mind that. I don't really mind when eyeshadows have some kickback. It's powder. It's going on your eyes. Whatever. I'm gonna go in with this gray color. It's so pretty, and I'm just gonna take that to kind of deepen this look up a little bit. Ooh, yes. So now that that color is done, that is beautiful. I love that. It is definitely making my eyes look more blue today. This is really good. So I'm gonna use this darker brown right here with my smudger brush from the Eye Slay Kit by Morphe. Just put a little bit right on the outside because the shimmer is right here from the Chameleon crayon. I want that to be a main focus. This is the shimmer. I think that's a beautiful look too. I love that when like the Victoria's Secret, you know, I always reference Victoria's Secret. I just like their look. They're always like, you know, look like golden and goddessy and pretty, and just, I like that look. This is really good. I wish it wasn't as expensive as it is. Now I'm gonna go in with Charlotte's Feline Flick eyeliner pen. And it is a felt tip or marker tip. I can't really, do y'all know the difference? I don't know if I do, but this is a pen and it looks super black. So let's see. I'm not really picky if it's a shiny black or a matte black. So let's see, I'm curious to see this. That was so easy and so black. Wow. Charlotte, you're doing good, girl. You are doing good. Eyeliner is done. I really like that. I'm really hating that I'm really liking all these expensive products, but that is really good. Next, I'm gonna tight line my upper waterline with this Rockin' Kohl liquid eye pencil in black, in bedroom black. I'm gonna put that on the top of my waterline. I'm not really good at doing this, but that is black. I like that. The thing though, if this gets on my bottom waterline, I will not be a happy camper. Now that my eyeliner and my eyeshadow are on, I'm gonna go in with Charlotte's Full Fat Lashes. I am so excited to try this mascara. I've heard mixed reviews, and you know, most of the time though, when someone says they hate a mascara, I love it. So I don't know, my eyelashes are pretty already long and kind of have some volume, whatever, but I usually like most mascaras. I don't know, they enhance. The thing I don't like is when they crumble down my eyes. That is my biggest pet peeve. If I don't have any flakiness at the end of the day, this will be a win for me. So, well, and the brush. So, let's see. Okay, this looks good already. They have one of those like natural kind of haired brushes, which my beloved mascara is the Chanel Volume, and that brush is amazing. Okay. Do y'all see this? This is insane. This mascara. I mean, it speaks for itself. Let's go on to the face, which is the thing that I'm the most excited for. Well, I said that about the airbrush powder. Okay, so this is the second thing I've been most excited for, is this highlighter and bronzing duo. I have been wanting to try this since I've gotten it. I kind of swatched a little bit the highlighter, but this looks like it's gonna be amazing. Everyone says they love it. And do my eyes look really blue or what? So I'm gonna go in with this sculpting color with my Real Techniques blush brush that I use for bronzer, and I'm gonna go in with that and just put that like that. First impression is that it is very natural. I may need to go in with another brush just to maybe sculpt it out a little more. I don't mind a more natural flush of color. So let me just try going in with another brush. I'm going to use my stippling brush. Go like that. Oh yeah. See? You get a better color payoff, that's for sure, when you use a more dense brush. So I just realized I lied to you guys earlier and said that I had nothing else that wasn't Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury blush. So I'm gonna have to go in with my Bobbi Brown Pretty Pink blush. I'm just gonna do that real quick. So now that that part is over, I'm gonna go in with the highlight shade in this sculpting palette. And I'm so excited to try this. Guys, why is all this expensive stuff so good? I mean, that's, I think, why it's so good. Really, really love that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose, down my nose. You know me, my favorite thing to do. Ooh, I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna take that on my MAC 242, put that on my brow bone. And oh, I could pile this on, so I better stop. But you guys, there's nothing. I think there will be nothing that I hate about this. I'm gonna be using Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat Pencil in Pink Venus, and I may cheat my lips a little bit today. This lip liner is so creamy and magical. Wow. And that's a really pretty color too. I really like this color. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, but I like it. Okay, another good product I'm gonna be using, which I've already had and tried these formulas of these lipsticks and I love them. And I got another color in Sexy Sienna. So super, you know, just a pink color. I think it matches almost identical to this lip liner. I'm gonna go in. I hate this color. Name a color that isn't for Paulina, and that would be it. I'm gonna switch my lipstick color. Oh, I'll be right back. Much better. I just went in with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, which is the best color of all time. This color, you need it in your lipstick collection. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my first impressions of Charlotte Tilbury makeup, and you guys, I have nothing bad to say. I really don't, and that's what sucks. I know it's expensive, but I mean, it is well worth your money. I don't know if you can see, it's just I feel like looking in the mirror, like I look flawless. I don't look like I have any pores. I look like I'm just glowing from within. And I think that's just Charlotte's motto. She always said that makeup shouldn't wear the woman should wear the makeup. And I love that motto because, you know, the whole natural thing is definitely coming back in style, and I am all about it. I am hopping on that bandwagon. I mean, I think I'm gonna have a couple things that I'm gonna add to my obsessions and my everyday makeup routine because I just really, truly have fallen in love with these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then just please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye, guys.